want that ball so bad. Here, go over there. This is going on YouTube.
Totally.
Smart pitbull puppy.
Smartest pitbull puppy in the world.
Right? Oh my God, Chaka. Get it, buddy. Don't do my puppy. Gosh. You know when we stop, there's that. It's driving you crazy. Poor puppy.
I will chew it up.
I will get the ball.
Very determined.
You probably like that
That
better than your
toy
cat.
is tough, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
Apparently.
I can take the damage of a
Well, hard one.
5-month pickle.
Dude, how'd you get the ball out? I give up.
Right?
I don't give up. Hold on.
Has anyone told him that the ball doesn't come out yet?
Don't tell him.
Oh.
It's like a puzzle.
How did I get this disease? What are my treatment options? How will this affect my loved ones?
Tongue.
Written by medical professionals who have treated measles.
You'll have to see that on video. But his tongue just goes
How foamy it is inside there now.
against the plastic and just sort of stayed there for a little while.
He's just gonna bite it over.
There's so much saliva.
I know.
Cookie's never gonna play with it again.
Right out the hose. It's all open.
Yeah, it's
Dry
cool.
right out.
Use your tongue to get it.
Good boy. You're the smart boy.
His Romanian surname, Draculia, means the dragon.
That was freaking hilarious.
He's special.